So today we're going to be replacing these with these leather seats. Stay tuned. Okay, so to take the seats out you need 13mm socket, 20mm Torx, a little flat screwdriver, and got to remove these two plastic rail covers. Take the Torx 20 off, pull them out, push the seat all the way forward, and then under the seat on the front is two 13mm bolts that I need to undo. Remove the electrical connector, pull the seats all the way back, and they should pull out quite easily. So let's get started. First job, disconnect the battery. Right, so we're going to remove these two Torx 20 screws now, one either side. Okay, this one out of the way. This one, lift up and then slide out. There's a little lug just on that side. Next job, we pull the seat all the way back. And under the seat, there's two 13mm that we need to remove. One. Two. Let's give it a little tap to stick these little lugs out. There you go. And then tip it up. And remove the airbag in the heated seat clips. Okay, get this out of the way. There you go. That is off. And then carefully pull the seat out. Oh, and I found a paracetamol on the floor. Yeah. Need them at the moment. Right, so I've got to do the same on the Golf now. Disconnected the battery, remove these two rails, two 13mm bolts, unplug the electrical connectors and remove the seat. One in, one more to go, and then the back seats. So, first thing you got to do is pull the bottom to the back seats up, and these little hooks, you just push them that way and that way, a bit of a wiggle, but then they just slide out and they just pop off. Let's just get that one first. It's a bit stiff, and that one, that's the bottom out. You do that both sides. You can do the backs, take the headrest off so it's easier to get back in the other car. And right in here, do you want to get in there, Ben? Get that on the screen. See in there's a little lug. Push it back. And then the bottom of the seat lifts up and pulls out. And then on this bit, there's a little shaft that goes into the side of this. And yeah, slide that out. Oop. Right, there you go. Out. Same with that one. Then we've got one in. Alright, last back seats. Back seats done. Okay, so all the seats are in now. Looking pretty sweet. A lot more comfy. Yeah. Plenty more videos to come. Got a few more bits I want to do on the Golf, so hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, the Manifesto, and thanks for watching. See you all soon. Peace.